Jay Gupta of Moneylicious Capital. Jay, good afternoon. Good to have you on. It seemed like a day of consolidation, but we're seeing this movement come in the second half after that strong rally that we saw in the last hour of trade yesterday as well. It's been a good week after a few weeks of negative closes for the index. What's the view on the market at the moment? We had some good news, I think, at least for the banking space, select pockets from the RBI yesterday. But looking ahead, earnings just around the corner. What is the expectation?
Yeah, hi, good afternoon. See, my view would be to be cautiously optimistic from here on because we have seen, on the domestic front, a lot of positive news flows, normal monsoon. Yesterday's RBI, guidelines were also pro-market, but we also have to take into account the international markets, what's in store there because we never know. That's why I want to be cautiously optimistic. China, US trade war. If you see anything on the global front could disrupt the market. So my theme for Indian markets would be to buy companies which have less exposure to international exposure. I would say so. Theme would be consumption primarily on the domestic front, and we have seen in this fall the companies which have been focusing on the domestic consumption story, they have all done well, be it Bajaj Finance or Piramal Enterprise or LIC Housing Finance. So I would still continue to be bullish on these companies, but I would rather avoid companies which have international exposure, like companies like metal and also IT.